Okay, welcome to today's video. So we're going to be removing this top grille from the R56 front end. Now, removing the top grille is super easy. So if we come under here, there is a Phillips screw just there. There's one in the middle just here, and then the other end there's one. So I'm just going to drop those 3 screws out. I've put a blanket on the engine bay, so if I drop anything, then we won't lose any of those screws. So let's get those screws off. Okay, so as explained, we've got 3 screws here, here and here. So let's get those out first. So it's a Phillips head screwdriver that you need. I've put a blanket so I don't drop anything in the engine bay, which is a good tip. So that's 1 out. That's 2 out. And that's the 3rd screw out. Okay, so once you've got your screws out, there are little plastic bits, and all you need to do is use a pair of pliers like this just to squeeze them and lift the grill out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hopefully this is the last one. That's off the car. So if you can see, it's just these little clips here. All we're doing is squeezing them to lift them out, and that's that trim off the car. Okay, now to get this lower chrome trim off, which seems a bit loose anyway, we've just got to pop this grill off. It's super easy, so pop these out with a trim removal tool. There's 4 in total of those. Once you've pulled the pin out a bit, they'll come off. Make sure you don't lose those. Okay, so once we've got those push pins out, we've got a bit of movement in the grill. I'm going to remove it and then show you how the clips works. It's really easy. Once you've got one, get them all out and undone. So if we look on the back of the grill, we turn it that way and you can see a bit better. They're like these scissors, so all you have to do is press in. So on the ends, just press in, press in, press in, and press in, and that's the grill off. And then, by the looks of this bit of chrome strip is just clipped in along here. So we'll get that off next. Okay, so all I did was just use a flathead screwdriver just to push on the back of this. Now my grill, it had these that had little Phillips head screws in, so watch out for them either end. I don't know whether they're stock, whether someone's done that because this grill's a little bit used and been apart a few times maybe. But you can see that just pulls straight off, and then you can go and paint that bit of chrome strip or whatever you want to do. We can chuck that back on the car now. So we can keep that grill on and we can go drive the car once we've put all the push pins back in, while that's at the body shop. So that's how to remove the grill. So I hope you found that super easy. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe for future content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.